I'm Tiffany, and today we're going to stretch our psoas muscle. So you want to get into a lunge position, come down into it, and then push your hip forward. Lunge down, push your hip forward, and you should feel the stretch right across this front portion of the muscle. Okay, so I'm going to face you this time, and we're going to lunge and push the hip forward and lean back if you can to lengthen it both directions, and hold that a good 15 to 30 seconds. And you can even twist a little bit after about halfway, and if it's really tight, that'll help just pull diagonally to loosen that. Lean back and twist. You'll feel it pull right here across the front of your hip flexor. All right, I'm Tiffany Daniels. I hope you find this helpful, and do practice this on both sides, but again, always hold longer on the side that causes you more pain.